Welcome back to the video, guys. Legit Kenny on another make money online website to cash out every single day. Now this very website has claimed that their work is mainly to help major online shopping malls to improve their product rankings, and online shopping mall will set their virtual order in this their glass mall. Then your own job is to submit a virtual order and to help the online store to increase their product sales, and that way you will not have to receive any products, and your work can just be done from your phone no matter the country where you are. So to get registered on this very page, what you just have to do here is to input your email address, your login password, repeat the password. Now set your transaction password. Your transaction password should be the password. It is the password that you're going to be required to make use of each time you want to make a transaction in the site. Anytime you want to place a withdrawal from the site, you will need your transaction password in order to be able to place your withdrawal. So the invitation code, you don't have to alter it, you have to leave it exactly the way it is. So you now go ahead and click on register now to get registered. For someone like me that have already registered, what I'm just going to do here is to click on this place to log into the site right now. So I already saved my details here, so I just go ahead and log in immediately, guys. So now once you sign up, guys, the sign up bonus that this company gives you is 23 USDT. 23 USDT sign up bonus, that is a registration bonus, and the minimum investment here is 7 USDT. Minimum withdrawal amount is 1 USDT. So once you click on the home page, you're going to find this pop-up message, and you can see the sign up bonus and minimum deposit is written here, which is 23 USDT sign up bonus. Minimum investment amount is 7 USDT. Minimum withdrawal amount is 1 USDT. No withdrawal fee. Task reset time at you can see the task reset time here at New York time. Recharge 7 USDT, become VIP 1. And okay, so let's get into the video proper. So now once you register, like I told you, you are given 23 USDT, guys. So now let me quickly show you guys the money I have in this platform right now, guys. So right here, if you click the last icon down here, so if you click the last icon down below here, you're going to see your balance here. So here I have 30 USDT, guys. 23 USDT sign up bonus plus $7 added to it, 7 USDT added to it. So that now makes it 30 USDT. So before I quickly perform my task here to make some money, what I want to quickly show you guys is the various VIP levels down here. When you click at the VIP here, the second to the last icon down below here, you can see my current status, which is the VIP 1. And VIP 1, you have to perform one task, and your daily profit is 1 USDT. That is $1. Your monthly profit is $30. Now for the VIP 2, you are also performing just one task, and your daily profit is 2 USDT. That's $2. Your monthly profit is 60 USDT for the VIP 2. And for the VIP 3, you are to perform one task also. Your daily profit is 6 USDT, and your monthly profit is 180 USDT. Okay, and you are actually joining VIP. You're actually joining VIP 3 with $89. You are joining VIP 2 with $46. You are joining VIP 1 with $7. Now for the VIP 4, guys, you are joining with $212. Shareholder $212. You're joining this VIP 2 with this. and you remember that any amount of the VIP, any amount you are joining, remember you are giving 23 USDT, so you have to add the necessary fund you have to add on top of the 23 USDT in order to purchase any VIP you need to purchase. I hope that is understood, guys. And your daily profits for the VIP 4 is 18 USDT. Your monthly profit is $540. Now for the VIP 5, it's 563 USDT that you are required to use to join it, and your daily profit is 54 USDT. Your monthly profit is 1,620 USDT. And for the VIP 5, the next one here, the next one here is 162 USDT, which is your daily profit. You are joining it with 1,562 USDT, a monthly profit of 4,860 USDT. So just come and go through it and see the one that you can join. Let me not make the video to be boring, and let me just go to the last one here. When you come to this page, just go through it and find the one that is convenient for you, that you want, that you can actually stand to risk to join. Okay, now for the VIP 9 is 35,050 USDT is the required amount to join the last VIP. For the last VIP here, rather, you are joining with 35,015 USDT, and your daily profit is 4,374 USDT with a monthly profit of 131,220 USDT. So for me that I've already purchased the VIP one, I will just click on the home page down here, the first icon down below here, and you can see all these places are all locked. These places are all locked. These are the various VIPs that are all locked. So whichever one you paying for, it is going to automatically unlock itself for you. So now, guys, I'll quickly click on this place now to perform my task. I'll click on here to perform my task right now, guys. Let me perform the single task I need to perform today in order to be able to cash out right now, guys. So once you click on that place, you're going to see this page. This is the page it's going to show you. So remember, you're performing one task. There are many tasks on this page, so just click on any of them. And I just clicked on one right now. So I'll go ahead and click on submit. Okay, so I've submitted it, guys. So when you click on the completed here, if you click on the completed here, you're going to see that this task has been completed. So let me quickly go back to my balance to see if it has been added. Now you can see, guys, it's now 31 USDT. Before I go ahead to place my withdrawal, remember you must recharge before you'll be able to make any purchase, do anything on this platform. You must recharge before you be able to earn. So now to recharge, you have to click on the recharge here. Okay, remember I already recharged. I already have a recharge balance here, and that is why I was able to purchase this. I was able to perform the task that I just performed now. So for you to perform the task just the way I did, I'm going to place a withdrawal right now, but I want to show you guys how to recharge, because you need to recharge in order to perform the task the way I just did. So to recharge, you just click on recharge right here. Click on recharge, and you'll be able to copy the USDT TRC20 wallet address and go to your crypto wallet and paste it there. So what you just do to copy it is just to tap on this copy to have it copied to your clipboard. As you can see, it's now copied to my clipboard. I go ahead there in my Binance or Trust wallet, or whichever wallet I want to use to fund my account to this site. I now paste the USDT TRC20 wallet address that I just copied from the site right now and fund my account. And once I do that, guys, I now come to this page and click submit. Okay, and that's it. And once you do that, once the money lands here, it's actually automatic deposit, automatic withdrawal. And once you fund it, it should land here in within 2 minutes, or in less than 5 minutes. You should have your balance reflect right here. And now you go ahead and perform the task exactly the way I just did and receive your profits here instantly, guys. So right now that I've succeeded in performing my task, now what I'm going to do right now is to click on this withdrawal to go ahead and place my withdrawal right now. Remember, you must bind your USDT TRC20 address to this site in order to be able to place your withdrawal. And to do this first, now I'll have to click on submit. Now add the withdrawal method. To add my withdrawal method, I must go to Binance right now. Right now, I'm on my way to Binance to get my USDT TRC20 wallet address because I'll be using it to get my funds out of the site right now, guys, in the next few minutes. So right here in Binance, I will simply go ahead and click on USDT here because I want to copy my address from this place right now. So I click on deposit, which is down below here. Now I select the right network. Make sure that you select the right network. This is USDT TRC20 wallet address. So I'm selecting Tron network, that is TRC20. And now tap on this to have it copied to my clipboard. Now I have it copied to my clipboard. I go back to the site right now and paste this USDT TRC20 wallet address that I just copied from the site from Binance right now. So I now go ahead and paste it here. Having done this, remember guys, I showed you guys how to set your transaction password during registration. So here I'm gonna input the same transaction password that I set, but I'm gonna make it private because this is a public video. Having done this, I go ahead and click on submit. Success. Fine. Now I've succeeded in binding my USDT TRC20 wallet address, which I just copied from Binance to this site now. So the next thing I want to do here is on this same withdrawal page, guys. Now I'm required to input the amount I want to withdraw here, which is just 1 USDT, guys. So I just input 1 and go ahead and input the same transaction password that I have right here, right now. So having done this now, I go ahead and click on this place, this arrow, to select the same address that I just copied. And having done this now, I now click on submit. It's loading. Application for withdrawal successful. I hope you guys saw the pop-up message that just popped up right now. So in the next 2 minutes, I should receive this money in Binance right now, guys. This money should reflect in Binance in the next few minutes. So guys, to refer your friends, one more thing I want to show you here before or 2 things I want to show you here before I conclude this video, which is first, how to refer your friends. Click on this place first. So as you click on here, you'll be able to copy your, just tap on this to have your referral invitation code link copied. So have it copied to your clipboard. That is your invitation link. Tap on here to have it copied to your clipboard, and you go to your social softwares, your WhatsApp groups where you're permitted to share links, your Telegram groups where you're permitted to share links, whichever social software that you can use to reach out to audience to have them registered in the site and earn some referral commissions. When you refer a friend, you are earning 10% of their deposit amount. Like if your friend deposits 1000 USDT, you are earning 100 USDT instantly. That is 10% of their deposit amount. If they invest 100 USDT, you're earning 10 USDT. That is 10% of 100 USDT. So 10% of the deposit amount from your direct referrals, and 5% of their deposit amounts from your second generation referrals. That is, when the people you refer others, that is your second generation referrals, you're earning 5% from them. Now from your third generation referrals, you're earning up to 2% from your third generation referrals, guys. So right now, let's quickly go to Binance right now and see if this money has landed in Binance. I believe it should be in Binance right now, guys. So right here in Binance, let me go to the crypto wallet and see if this money has actually reflected here. So let me refresh my page. Okay, guys, now if you look at this very first one right here, you can see the deposit of USDT is completed 32 seconds ago. So I go ahead and click on this arrow beside it to have more details about it. Now you can see here 1 USDT completed, guys. Now I've received this from Binance, right? I have received it in my Binance account from the platform to Binance right now. 1 USDT completed. That's my withdrawal proof in this, my live withdrawal proof from this site right now. Okay, so it's actually a new site. So guys, do well to also do your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor and I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions. You can do your own research if you want to do your own research, guys. If you have any questions, you can leave down your questions in the comment section of this video. You have any comments, feel free to drop your comments there. Subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed to this channel, and turn on your bell notification so that you can always get notified each time I upload a video. The link to my Telegram group is also in the description box of this video. To register in this site, you have to click the very first link, guys, in the description of this video to register in this site. The link to this site is the first link in the first link in the description of this video. Smash on that first link, click on it, and get registered, guys. If you love the things I do in this channel, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I would love to see you guys in the next video. Peace.